In today's video, I'll show you the ultimate guide to Obsidian Themes. So let's get started. First of all, for all of those who doesn't know how you can install a theme here in Obsidian, you just simply need to open the app and click here on the settings icon on the bottom left. From here, go into Appearance, and then you should now be able to see Themes. You want to go select your installed themes right here. If you don't have one yet, you can click here on Manage, and then you'd now be able to see all of the themes. And now I'm going to show you my top 10 themes. And the first one would be the Minimal. So you can go here into search and type in Minimal, and then you should have this right here. So this is exactly what it sounds like. Clean, distraction-free, and it's built for clarity. It's perfect for academic writing, Zettelkasten workflows, or long-form journaling. The typography is neutral and easy on the eyes, and it leaves plenty of white space for focus. It works beautifully with the Style Settings plugin, letting you adjust header weight, spacing, and callout styles. You can pair it with Hider to strip away UI clutter and sliding panes for layered navigation. That is, if you would want a vault that feels like a blank canvas, then this is definitely the theme for you. Next one that we have would be the ITS theme. So this one right here is slick and professional. It supports both light and dark modes with smooth transitions, making it ideal for creators who work day and night. The layout is balanced with crisp lines and modern UI elements. It's great for client-focused or client-facing vaults or business notes. You can customize block quotes, embeds, and headers using the style settings. It pairs well with dashboard plugins like Data View and Advanced Tables, giving you a polished workspace that feels like a productivity suite. And now next is that we have Vicious. So this one is also a great favorite of mine. Vicious is bold and visually aggressive. It uses high contrast and sharp fonts to make your content pop, which is perfect for YouTube scripts, visual storytelling, and content-heavy vaults. While it doesn't expose many style settings, you can tweak it with CSS snippets to adjust padding, font size, or even color accents. It shines when paired with Excalibur for visual notes or Media Extended for embedded content. If you would want your vault to make a statement, then I believe this theme delivers. And now number 4 would be the Shiba Inu. This one right here. So Shiba Inu adds personality to your workspace. You got rounded corners, soft colors, and playful design, making it ideal for journaling, creative writing, or mood boards. It's surprisingly functional. The style settings lets you tweak fonts, callouts, and spacing. Pair it with daily notes and canvas for a cozy, expressive setup. It's a great choice if you'd want your vault to feel more personal and inviting. And now, last but not the least, is that we have CyberGlow on the 5th spot. CyberGlow is futuristic and slick. It uses glowing accents and dark backgrounds to create a high-tech vibe, perfect for coders, tech enthusiasts, or dashboard-style vaults. Style settings lets you adjust glow intensity, font, and spacing. It pairs well with Templater, Data View, and Plugin Dashboard. So if you're building a second brain that looks like a sci-fi interface, this theme nails it. So yeah, this is it for this video on top 5 themes that you can use here in Obsidian. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.